Hello everyone, this is my review of this peanut M&Ms in a pantry tub size. This tub is quite large, making it perfect for sharing for those who just can't resist snacking. The lid is sealed tightly, ensuring freshness. The combination of the classic M&M candy shell and the creamy butter is absolutely amazing. The candy shell provides a delightful crunch, while the peanut butter filling is smooth and rich. It's a perfect balance of sweet and savory. It makes it incredible and addictive. I found myself keep reaching into the tub again and again because just couldn't get enough of it. Overall, I'll say this is a fantastic treat for gathering and movie nights and simply in a mood when you have a mood for sweets. So I hope this review helps.